Okay, that's good enough. Now that we're done stirring, we're gonna take the marshmallow and put it inside the cup.
No, he needs to put this in for me.
Karen, be quiet. Then you're gonna take the marshmallow, yummy, and put it inside. Then you're gonna take the whipped cream and make a delicacy. And then you can drink it.
No, that's mine.
Let's get hot chocolate.